Hey Rentvine team, how's it going? And here's this tip of the week for getting the most out of your Rentvine experience. So today we are going to be talking about the MCP. Rentvine has launched that it has launched its own MCP, and you could connect it with your Rentvine account. It is currently in a closed beta, but eventually, pretty soon, we're going to get it open to all of our customers where they could access it and have it connected to their Rentvine account. Some of you guys may ask, what is an MCP, Christian? An MCP is basically where you could go ahead and connect like your Claude or Google Gemini, ChatGPT into Rentvine by accessing those endpoints. And once it's connected, you could go ahead and have the AI. You could ask it anything about your Rentvine account to pull dashboards, pull reports. It could build artifacts for you, or you could just talk to it and have it pull certain information for you. Or you could have it do certain things in the system back, like maybe assign a work order, or get a work order created, things along those lines. So I'm just going to go into my Claude account to show you some examples. Right here in the bottom left, you can see that's connected to Rentvine, and it says, "Can you show me recent work orders in Rentvine?" That's what I asked it, and it's like, "Here are your 25 most recent work orders," and it's giving me all the information. And it's showing me close, open, and it's telling me, "Hey, you have 3 high priority work orders." I also asked it, how many work orders do I need to take action on that need a vendor assigned and has been pending in the past 3 days. So as you go down, it'll say 12 pending work orders, no vendor assigned. Within the MCP, the more detailed you are, the better. And then from there, I could go ahead and ask it any information I want, have it pull any information I want because it has access to those endpoints within Rentvine. Right? Is there any duplicated work orders in the system? I let it know these work orders are same property, same tenant submitted, etc. So I was going, yes, there is a significant amount of duplicates after analyzing all 200 work orders. These are the duplicates that I have. So on this property alone, I have 9 work orders that look like duplicates. And then I could go ahead and tell it, can you delete all the work orders besides this work order number? Or can you please delete 8 out of the 9 duplicates and just hold the 1? And it'll go ahead and do that in real time within the system. Also, let's say if you wanted to take it a level further and build some live artifacts, right? So instead of just speaking to it like how I'm speaking to it here and giving me data, which you could do, you could also build like a live artifact. So I have a full in maintenance CRM MCP built that I built with Rentvine data. So I have like vendor routing to make sure vendors are not in the same areas at one place. And if they are, it's going to let me know, hey, you might want to optimize this route. You have all your orders right here. I even add a little bit of a dark mode and certain features. I also created a scheduled automation to say any work order at this property that is in a pending status has this specific plumbing category and has no vendor assigned, auto assign it to pause plumbing. So every hour it was running a job and reading those things and auto assigning these vendors, which I thought was really cool. Or at any time I could have it check and refresh and it'll check within real time if I wanted to. So a lot of cool things within the MCP, a lot of customization. You have access to your data. You could plug it in with AI and then have it do certain automations and do certain things. Those are just some examples of currently what I have done. So please feel free to reach out and let us know if you have any questions regarding the MCP, and let us know if there's anything that you guys would like to see or anything that you guys are creating. But even to kind of show you in the maintenance section, if I go to like activity in the timeline, it's going to let you know like, hey, this work order was created and it was assigned by this specific MCP key. And it'll let you know through the API connected through the MCP. So you guys could even backtrack and see how certain things were created, if it was by a user, by different automation, or through the MCP, which I know a lot of people in the property management industry love. So thank you guys so much for your time. Have a wonderful rest of your day and let us know if you have any questions.